In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audience response system on Paperform. This is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and gather instant feedback, whether you're doing this for a classroom setting, a business presentation, or just for fun. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. Let's start by creating a new form. When you log into your Paperform account, you'll find the option to create a new form. Go ahead and select New Blank Form. This will give you a fresh canvas to design your audience response system exactly the way you envision it. Once you've got your blank form ready, it's time to add questions to it. The questions can be of different types depending on the kind of responses you need. You might want to include multiple choice questions for quick selections, rating questions to gauge opinions, or open text questions for more detailed feedback. The choice of question types can greatly influence the quality and type of data you receive, so be sure to think about what kind of insights you're looking to gain from your audience. Next, consider leaving the form anonymous by not asking for names or emails. This encourages more honest and open feedback from your audience since it allows them to speak freely without any concerns about privacy. Anonymity can lead to more authentic responses and higher engagement rates. If you would like to display live results to your audience, make sure to enable the summary page. This feature is particularly useful if you want real-time interaction, as it provides an immediate overview of the responses. It turns the process into a dynamic experience, allowing you and your audience to respond to the data as it appears. Now it's time to share your form with your audience. You can do this by generating a shareable link or a QR code. This flexibility is quite handy as you can distribute the link via email or social media or display the QR code during a live session for instant access. It's important that your audience can easily access your form, so choose the method that works best for your setting. Finally, keep an eye on the results tab where you can watch the responses as they come in. This is where you can monitor the real-time feedback and see how your audience is reacting. Watching the results live keeps you in sync with the participants' thoughts and opinions, allowing you to gauge the mood and engagement level of your audience effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create an effective audience response system using Paperform. This tool not only enhances interaction, but also provides valuable insights from your audience. Thanks for watching and happy form building.